Today we will take you on a tour of JTS's production factory. The first step in making a golf ball is to start from the core. The mixed raw materials will be fed into an extruder and transformed into a soft dough under high temperature and pressure. At this point, the rubber already has a good elastic foundation. The machine will cut the rubber strip into evenly sized small pieces, and the weight of each piece must be precisely controlled. These small pieces are the heart of future golf balls. Next, these small rubber blocks will be placed into molds and pressed into perfect spheres under high temperature and pressure. This step is crucial because the roundness of the core directly affects the flight performance of the ball. Before entering the shell wrapping process, each core must undergo fine grinding treatment to thoroughly remove the tiny burrs on the surface of the core. Automated equipment precisely places the ball core into the mold, waiting for the injection molding machine to close. The melted shell material is then injected into the mold, usually made of specially made polyurethane or Surlyn resin, which wraps the ball core with a liquid protective layer. Whether it is a 2-layer, 3-layer, or LED ball, it can be well armored. After completing the injection molding of the shell, each golf ball undergoes a critical and precise polishing process to ensure that each ball meets the competition standards. The fully automatic grinding machine adopts a multi-stage grinding disc design to treat the surface of the golf ball after injection molding to a competition-level smoothness. Finally, exclusive logo printing is applied to the polished golf ball, with ink completely covering the concave pits on the surface, ensuring that the paint does not peel off or affect the hitting at any time. Finally, each ball must undergo strict manual testing to ensure that its weight, elasticity, and appearance meet the standards before it can be packaged and shipped out of the factory. After passing through multiple levels, the golf balls will be collected and transported to the warehouse, waiting to be delivered to your hands. We are able to undertake big orders from the large group, and we also welcome small orders too. We are happy to grow with our customers. Your satisfaction is our pursuit.